Hey, it's Nick Stout with The Verge. We're here at CES checking out the Asus ROG Bezel-free Kit. Now this is a pair of accessories that you use with a 3-monitor setup to remove the bezel between the monitors. They're giant lenses and they actually mount to the corners of the monitors, and they use light refraction to bend the picture from one monitor to the next so that the black bezel in between goes away. Asus says there is no hardware, no software required. These things don't have to plug into power. They don't have to be running any sort of Windows application. They just mount to your monitors and they work right away. Now, because this kit doesn't use hardware or software, you can basically just take it off or put it back on really, really easily. Like just grabbing it here at the top and sliding it off. To put it back on, you basically just attach one end at the top and then one end at the bottom. And there you go. The company says it'll work with 24.5 and 25-inch monitors, but they're also going to design a kit for 27-inch monitors and also 32-inch monitors. Now, you don't have to have Asus monitors for these to work. They work with any thin bezel monitors, the company says. They do recommend that you use 3 monitors of the same size. It can get a little bit tricky if you're using a 25 and a 27 or a 27 and a 32. But if you have 3 of the same size, 3 25s, 3 27s, or 3 32s, you should be totally fine. I've been using the kit right here on this setup for a little while now on a Steam version of Project Cars, and it works exactly as designed. Now, it's not perfect. You're not going to get a complete removal of the bezel as if you had one giant curved monitor. You can see through the lenses a little bit. You can notice a little bit of a blurring effect going on. And it doesn't necessarily detract from the experience of playing. You do get one gigantic curved image, and it works pretty well. Now, Asus says this is still just a prototype, so they're fine-tuning a little bit of the design, and that means they don't have pricing or release date details quite yet. They do say it's coming out later this year. So if you own 3 monitors, or you're in the market to buy 3 giant thin bezel gaming monitors, and you want to have one seamless curved display, this is definitely something to check out. For more gaming news and all the product announcements here at CES, check out theverge.com and subscribe to us on YouTube at youtube.com/theverge. Now, I'm going to go play Destiny 2 because, well, I suck at racing games.